The YawMice is a multifunctional Bluetooth smart mice that offers a variety of features and benefits, including the YawMice uses Bluetooth to connect to your computer or other devices, which means that you don't need to worry about dealing with any messy cables. The YawMice has a number of multi-function buttons that can be programmed to perform a variety of tasks, such as opening applications, launching websites, and controlling media playback. The YawMice has an ergonomic design that helps to reduce fatigue and discomfort during extended use. The YawMice features silent clicks, which makes it ideal for use in quiet environments. The YawMice has a built-in rechargeable battery, so you don't need to worry about running out of batteries. Here is a summary of the pros and cons of the YawMice. Pros: Bluetooth connectivity, multifunction buttons, ergonomic design, silent clicks, rechargeable battery. Cons: expensive. Some users have reported that the Bluetooth connection can be unreliable at times. The mouse is a bit on the large side. Overall, the YawMice is a great choice for people who are looking for a multifunctional and ergonomic Bluetooth smart mouse. It is a bit expensive, but it offers a variety of features and benefits that make it worth the investment. Please note that the YawMice is still under development, so there may be some bugs or issues that need to be addressed. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.